Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how you can recover your Grindr account. So to many of you who do not know what Grindr is a dating app for the gay people. You can find people and chat with them. Now, you need to go ahead and open the Grindr app. After opening the Grindr app, you can find a page like this pops up. Now, since you are here to recover your account and you do not know your password and email, now you need to click on the option forgot password. Once you have clicked on it, the Grindr asks if you know your email. If you know your email, then you can provide your email and make sure that the email is linked to your Grindr account. Or if you do not know your email, then there is another option of the phone number. You can provide your phone number, and then after providing either your email or your phone number, you need to click on the option next, and it says a confirmation number will be sent to your phone number or your email, and you need to click on the option send. If you have selected the Gmail account, then you need to open your Gmail and click on the link that is given by the Grindr. If you have selected the phone number, then you need to type the code that the Grindr provided to you. Now, after opening the email, you can see that there is a link provided by the Grindr. Now, the link expires in the 30 minutes, so you need to be fast and click on the link. Once you have clicked on a link, it takes you to the reset password option. Now you need to select a new password for yourself. After selecting a new password, you need to click on the option I am not robot. After verifying, you need to click on the option reset password. After that, you have successfully changed your password and recovered your account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching our video. Please make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day.